Representation of companies. Contrary to individual entrepreneurship, in which entrepreneurs act in their own names as themselves, partnership and companies are separate legal entities. The representation of companies is governed by many legal rules. Knowing at least main of them is essential to run a business in Poland. General rules. General rules of representation can be found in the Civil Code as well as the Code of Commercial Companies. To perform certain activities, the management board must gain an authorization from the shareholders or supervisory board. There are also specific situations when the management board cannot represent the company. In such a case, it is supervised by the supervisory board or attorney in fact. National Court Registry. Representatives capable to represent the company in day-to-day affairs must be registered in the National Court Registry. Every company and partnership must update information about itself. It can be done online. The National Court Registry is an official register in which you can get acquainted with the fundamental information about partnership, companies, and other legal persons. There is a legal presumption that information entered in the National Court Registry are true. General partnership. General partnership are a basic form of partnership under the Polish law. The general rule of the representation is that every partner has right to represent a general partnership, and this right cannot be limited against third parties. It does not change that the partners can agree between themselves that only some of them can represent a partnership or describe the method of representation. These conclusions will be effective only between the partners. Limited partnership. Every limited liability partnership must have at least one general partner who is fully responsible for partnership affairs, and one limited partner whose responsibility is limited only to a certain sum indicated in the partnership articles of association. Like in general partnership, the general partner is always authorized to represent a limited. On the contrary, the limited partnership is not entitled to represent a partnership. It does not change the fact that you can always grant the limited partner a power of attorney and make him or her an attorney in fact. Limited liability company. A limited liability company is represented by a management board. The management board may consist of one or more people. If there are more than one person in the management board, the method of representation is determined in the Limited Liability Company Articles of Association. It is also disclosed in the National Court Registry. Simple joint stock company. How a simple joint stock company is represented depends on its owner's decisions. They may decide to appoint the management board like in the limited liability company or joint stock company. They may also choose to elect the boards of directors. Each of these bodies may consist one of more people. If there are more than one person, the method of representation is determined in the simple joint stock company's article of association. It is also disclosed in the National Court Registry. Joint stock company. Similarly to a limited liability company, a joint stock company represents a management board which can comprise one or more people. When two or more people are in the management board, the way they represent determines the articles of association. It is disclosed in the National Court Registry as well. Other representatives. General partners in partnership and management board in companies are not only representative in the company or partnership may have. To conduct day-to-day affairs of a company, partnership, they may choose attorney in fact or proxy. In SVLX we have a team of professionals that can help you in this issue.